Good morning. Today class on monophasic liquid dosage forms used in mouth. These are the preparations which are used for external to the mouth. Examples of liquid preparations used in mouth are gargles, mouthwashes and throat paints. Gargles. Gargles are the monophasic liquid dosage forms used for introduced into mouth cavity, most commonly used for treatment of throat infections. These gargles are available in concentrated form. Whenever necessary, it can be diluted with warm water. These gargles are also used to treat mild sore throat infections. These gargles are produces antibacterial action due to presence of phenol and thymol. These gargles containing potassium chromate produces astringent action. These gargles are taken to the mouth, placed in the mucosa of the mouth, produces prolonged action. These gargles are also stimulate the saliva to relieve the dryness of the mouth. These gargles are most commonly used for producing the deodorant effect to remove the bad odor from the mouth. These gargles are used for treatment of bacterial infections. This is also produces astringent action. These gargles are also produces anesthetic actions. Example phenol gargles and potassium chloride gargles. Gargles are should be dispensed in clear fluted glass bottles closed with a plastic screw cap. These gargles are protected from the light, so it can be dispensed in only color bottles. The label should be contains for external use only. Examples of gargles are phenol gargle. The ingredients present in preparation of phenol gargle is phenol glycerin 5 ml, amaranth solution 1 ml, purified water up to 100 ml. For preparation of phenol gargle involves amaranth solution can be mixed with small quantity of water. Add phenol glycerin 5 ml. The solution can be stirred. The final volume can be made with purified water. The preparation can be transferred into bottle and stored. Whenever necessary, it can be diluted with warm water. Examples are potassium chromate homeo gargle. This is the marketed available homeo preparation. Mouthwashes. These are the monophasic liquid dosage forms used for treatment of mouth infections and also produces antibacterial action. These are mouthwashes are aqueous solutions having pleasant taste and also having pleasant odor, used for treatment of buccal cavity infections and also used to clean the buccal cavity, deodorize the buccal cavity. If any bad odor coming from the mouth, it can be removed by using mouthwashes. By the use of mouthwashes having prominent advantages. It is also used to boost the oral health. It is also prevents the plaque from building up. Rinsed with fluoride can help prevents the cavities. Fluoride protects the against tooth decay. Mouthwashes also used for treatment of to target the plaque. It is also prevents the dryness of mouth. Types of mouthwashes. There are different types of mouthwashes are available in preparations. There are fluoride mouthwashes. These fluoride mouthwashes contain sodium fluoride. It is also used to protect the teeth from decay. It is also increase the or strengthen the teeth. The second one type of mouthwashes are cosmetic mouthwashes. This is also used for treatment of prevents the bad breath from the mouth. Next, third type of mouthwashes are antiseptic mouthwashes. The antiseptic mouthwashes mainly containing chlorhexidine gluconate. This agent also having inhibits the growth of microorganisms. So these are having to produce antibacterial action. These antiseptic mouthwashes are most commonly used for treatment of mouth infections. Another type of mouthwashes are natural mouthwashes. These are free from alcohol and also free from fluoride. This is most commonly used conventional mouthwashes. This is most commonly used for treatment of mouth infections and also used for treatment of injuries of mouth. Next one, total care mouthwashes. This is also used for treatment of gum diseases. This also mainly contain antibacterial ingredients. This is also used for reduce the buildup of plaque. These are the various types of mouthwashes and their uses. The mouthwashes mainly containing antibacterial agents like potassium chlorhexidine dichromate and also contain alcohol, glycerin, sweetening agents, flavoring agents, coloring agents and also containing flavor preservatives. The mouthwashes should be dispensed in white fluted bottles. The packaging and storage. It can be packed in fluted glass bottles with or plastic or glass with screw caps. Colorless bottles can be used. This is most commonly not protected from light. This is also having narrow mouthed. It can be stored in room temperature, away from sunlight, keep out from the children's. The label should be containing the following details: product information, the active ingredients present in formulation, uses, warnings, directions, storage, and if any inactive ingredients are present. The labeling should be containing the directions for proper use dilution and also having secondary label for external use only. Examples are prepare and dispense 50 ml of compound sodium chloride mouthwash according to British Pharmaceutical Codex. The ingredients present in preparation of compound sodium chloride mouthwash is sodium chloride 1.5 grams, sodium bicarbonate 1 gram, peppermint water 100 ml. Peppermint water is used as a flavoring agent. The procedure involved in preparation of compound sodium chloride mouthwash is dissolve the 1.5 grams of sodium chloride and sodium bicarbonate 1 gram in 75 ml of peppermint water. Add more peppermint water to produce the required volume. The preparation can be transferred into bottle, label and dispense. This is a procedure for preparation of compound sodium chloride mouthwash as per British Pharmaceutical Codex. Next, another preparation: prepare and dispense 100 ml of zinc sulfate and zinc chloride mouthwash as per British Pharmaceutical Codex. The ingredients present in preparation of zinc sulfate and zinc chloride mouthwash is zinc sulfate 20 grams, zinc chloride 1 gram, diluted hydrochloric acid 1 ml, compound tartrazine solution 1 ml, chloroform water to produce 100 ml. In above preparation, compound tartrazine solution is used as a coloring agent. The procedure involved in preparation of zinc sulfate and zinc chloride mouthwash is dissolve the zinc sulfate 20 grams and 1 gram of zinc chloride in water. Add the dilute hydrochloric acid to make the clear solution. Add compound tartrazine solution and also make up with the required quantity with chloroform water. Transfer the contents into bottle and label and dispense. Examples of marketed available mouthwashes are antiseptic mouthwash, Listerine. It is also available in different actions. Listerine mouthwash, Listerine fight cavity, Listerine total care, and also having cool mint. Next one, analgesic action, lidocaine hydrochloride. Bacterial and cosmetic mouthwashes are fluoride containing mouthwash, anti-cavity or fluoride rinse. Some examples of marketed available mouthwashes are Colgate Plax is available in peppermint flavor. Another in Listerine mouthwash available in cool mint. This is also used for treatment of gum problems and also remove the bad odor produced from the mouth cavity and also treat plaques. Next one, antiseptic mouthwash. These antiseptic mouthwash mainly containing chlorhexidine gluconate. This is produces antiseptic action. This is most commonly used for treatment of mouth infections and gum problems. Next one, Colgate Plax. This is the Colgate product used for treatment of general care. Next one, chlorhexidine mouthwash. This is used for having antiseptic and anti-plaque activity. It is a hexidine. Next one, Ayurvedic preparation containing antibacterial germ defense mouthwash. It is a bio-Ayurveda basic product used for treatment of mouth infections, also used for clean the mouth. Thank you. These are the preparations and examples of gargles and mouthwashes. Today class discussing about monophasic liquid dosage forms for treatment of mouth infections are gargles and mouthwashes. Most commonly used for treatment of mouth infections are also used to remove the bad odor from the mouth and also clean the buccal cavities. Thank you.